Hi friends, I started a new puzzle and so far it's pretty easy. I started this one for fall. This is a crazy art. I don't know if I can get the whole thing in here. I got this, I had to move the tag over, it was on the front. I wanted to see what was under here. I paid $4.99 at Savers, and I got 30% off for Senior Day. This is Thursday. I started this a little before 5 o'clock. I watched 2 movies. Another part of that chair. Oh, that piece goes. A little bit stuck on these right here. But so far, it's pretty easy. I've got quite a bit done. And I've got these 3 trays and part of this tray to go. So 3.5 trays. Not too bad. Oh, more chairs. I know where these chairs are going. Yeah, so... And it's pretty colorful. I thought it was going to be harder because there's so many little pieces. Like there's somebody's arm. But, oh yeah, I know where that quilt is. And what this is, there it goes. Welcome Quilters, Fall Quilting Bee. Celebration in our town square. The fall quilting bee, and all the leaves are turned, and there's different food trucks, and this one says Stitchin' Sandy's Fabric Wagon, Win a Quilt, something. I can't read these, they're too small. What is it? Oh, 25 cents a chance. I can see it over here. It's bigger. But, yeah. Lemonade for 10 cents. Taxi ride is 10 cents. 5 cents for a bag of peanuts. 10 cents for a box. All kinds of stuff. Wilbur's Food Wagon. So, this will be fun. Okay, well, that's where I'm at now. I'll see y'all later, my friends. Bye.